Kids, yeah, I have two daughters that are really amazing.
What do they
really
do?
Wonderful kids. One is a nutritionist, and one is an ultrasound technician.
I knew there was something nutritionist about you.
Yeah.
I was saying that.
And I'm going to send her to you. I'm going to send you to her, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Oh,
you could
thank
be even healthier than you are now.
I appreciate it.
That's what it is about Jeffrey. He's a
He's a good dude.
nutritionist. He's 300 years old. He's a vampire.
Listen.
That's why he's so. He's a vampire. He's been alive for 1,000 years. That's why all these women flock to him.
So this I was telling you about the bizarre documentary that he sent me
Yes.
to watch. So it starts out with comedians talking about him, okay. Then it goes, and Jeffrey's also involved in the film world. And then it's just like a million pictures of you with different people from the film world, right?
Well,
But no images of him being in a film.
and then it's like
I'm interviewing people who did films for my column because I write about films. I get to see films before they come out
yeah.
very often. So I get to interview the stars of the films, and I write about it in the column.
And then it's like, and Jeffrey also interviews Will Ferrell, and then it's like, Will, I have a question for you, and Will's like, no more questions, and then cut, and then it's like,
No more.
I didn't say no more questions.
No,
he
but it
answered
was-
my question.
Yeah.
Because I didn't have an assistant that day, and I was interviewing him. I was holding my camera and my microphone at the same time, and I said, "What?" I said, "Why is all your stuff about sports? And what's the next sport you're going to do?"
Right.
And he's like, "I'm going to do a story about a guy who interviews people holding a camera and a microphone."
Yeah.
And he was like goofing on me.
Right, and then he didn't answer you, and that was it. That was
No,
the
he
whole
did
interview.
answer me. He did, that was the whole thing.
That was the whole interview. He didn't really
No, it
answer the
wasn't.
question.
Of course he did.
Well,
he
it
said, "I'm
takes
going to
one to
answer
know
the
one."
last part first."
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm going to answer the last part first. I'm going to do an interview about a guy.
I just remember
So,
lying in
where are
bed
the
watching
films
this.
of you interviewing all the stars?
It doesn't matter. I'm just saying. I was watching this and I was thinking, this is a bizarre documentary. If
No,
I've
it's a
ever seen.
promo. It was a promo reel
Yeah.
for me to host the show because it's important if you're going to host a show to show that you interact with different groups in the entertainment business, and
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
what the purpose of it.
All right. Well, it did show that.
Yeah, and that's
But,
what. And
but
that's
I was
what
So it
like,
wasn't a
Jeffrey's such a
documentary.
weird guy in general. And when I say I don't mean it in a bad way. I actually really like you, Jeff.
Well,
I really
and
do.
I like you too. Dude,
And but I like you as that weird guy that I like. You know.
eccentric is a better word.
No, I'm gonna say weird.